Why do birds sing? Hello! Today, let's talk about why birds sing. Birds use their songs to communicate. For example, a bird might sing loudly to protect its territory, sending the message, "This is my space." Bird songs are also essential for attracting mates. Male birds often sing beautifully to catch the attention of females. Within flocks, birds use calls to stay connected. Migratory birds rely on their songs to maintain order while flying together. Finally, birds sing to warn each other about danger. If they sense a threat, they sound an alarm to alert others. Bird songs are both a beautiful and meaningful part of nature. See you in the next video.